Hi everyone, it is almost Friday and the weekend and a very active weekend ahead. Now I wanted to give you this video forecast earlier, but I was out with Light Up Your Neighborhood at the Norwood House in West Fayetteville. You can check out nwahomepage.com and check out the lighting display that he has. Our satellite radar, well, high pressure is finally shifting off to the east, but the cloud cover is abundant. We are under the grips of an Arctic blast, but we will warm up briefly on our Friday into early Saturday morning. There's one weather system that's moving in tomorrow that will bring extra cloud cover during the afternoon, even a little bit of drizzle and some light rain in the river valley, but the cold weather is just to our north and west, and in the Pacific Northwest, here comes Saturday's system, still off the coast of the United States, so still some uncertainty remains. Now, temperature-wise, let me take you through this, because it is going to be a wild ride. We'll start off our Friday morning right around 30 degrees with blustery winds. Now the winds are going to be breezy out of the south, so even though it's around 44 at around lunchtime, it won't feel like it with a wind gusting over 30 miles an hour. Look at how warm it is in Amarillo at 71, and we start to warm up Friday night, which is kind of crazy. Maybe you're standing in line for Rogue One, the new Star Wars movie, opening day tomorrow, and you can see those temperatures climbing throughout the overnight hours, close to 60 degrees. But look at the cold air just to our northwest. In fact, you can see the front just starting to nose into northwest Arkansas about 6 a.m. on Saturday. After that, the temperature is going to absolutely plummet. You can see as we fall to 41 at noon, so Reese across America will be chilly. The wind will shift from south to north, and it will be rather breezy. And then watch this temperature just absolutely plummet into the mid-20s by 5 o'clock and into the mid and upper teens by close to midnight Saturday night and into early Sunday. And that is a blustery cold one. Now, as far as precipitation is concerned, still some uncertainty. Some of the computer models bringing in a trace to a dusting of snow. The future track here, which is what we call the RPM, kind of weakens it as it moves into northwest Arkansas. I don't totally buy that. I do know Arctic air is obviously really dry, but I think there's enough energy to provide a little band of snow, a little dusting, if you will, across northwest Arkansas. The European model is definitely showing that. Here's the GFS, which also shows some snow lasting from late Saturday night after sundown into Sunday morning, about a ½ inch in Fayetteville. And this is what I honestly think happens. Close to an inch and a little bit over to our northwest and northeast Oklahoma, with a dusting possibly snowing all the way down into the river valley, but it will be a little bit more of a wintry mix. And you can see those totals right around a ½ inch, possibly a little bit more if something sets up. So again, very active 7-day forecast, very windy tomorrow, winds gusting over 30 miles an hour, a chance of a little bit of drizzle. As we move into Saturday, you'll notice that snow chance happens late Saturday night into early Sunday. It will be a wintry mix for some, for sleet and freezing rain in the river valley. Then on Sunday, brutally cold, 8 degrees with a wind chill well below zero. Sunday early morning, a few flurries. The Arctic cold sets in, and winter begins on Wednesday, but even though it's going to feel a whole lot like winter over the weekend. So that's the latest. I think we do see a dusting of snow, possibly a little bit more in higher elevations. Also in the higher elevations of the Boston Mountains, just about an inch, maybe a little bit over, if an enhanced band of snow does set up. Keep it here with your weather authority for the latest winter weather information.